First impressions matter. For hotels, it's all about creating a welcoming and memorable experience for guests. Interior design plays a huge role in this. Think of it as setting the stage for an unforgettable stay. It's more than just pretty decorations. It's about creating a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. A well-designed hotel considers the needs of its guests. Comfort and convenience are key. A relaxing atmosphere can make all the difference. When guests feel pampered, they are more likely to return. Happy guests lead to a successful hotel. Remember, Chip and I always say, it's all in the details. Thoughtful design touches create a lasting impression. They make guests feel valued and appreciated. Ultimately, a well-designed hotel is a memorable one. Let's talk about the building blocks of hotel interior design. Space management is crucial. Every square foot should be utilized efficiently. We want to create a sense of spaciousness, even in smaller rooms. Lighting sets the mood and ambiance. Natural light is always best. It brightens up a space and makes it feel more welcoming. We can use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting for different areas and times of day. Color palettes should be chosen carefully. Soothing and neutral tones create a relaxing atmosphere. Pops of color can be added through accent pieces. This adds visual interest without being overwhelming. Furniture should be both stylish and durable. We want pieces that are comfortable and inviting for guests. Think plush sofas, cozy armchairs, and supportive beds. Design principles guide us in creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional. Balance is all about visual weight. We want to distribute elements evenly to create a sense of harmony. Rhythm is the flow of movement within a space. We can achieve this through the repetition of shapes, colors, or textures. This creates a sense of visual interest and guides the eye through the room. Focal points are areas that draw the eye and create a sense of drama. A statement chandelier, a piece of art, or even a stunning view can serve as a focal point. By understanding these principles, we can create spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. It's about creating a cohesive and harmonious design that enhances the guest experience. Section 4. A fresh look, refurbishing and redecoration. Even the most well-designed hotels need a refresh now and then. Refurbishing and redecoration are essential parts of hotel management. Refurbishing involves making structural changes. This could include updating plumbing, electrical systems, or even reconfiguring the layout of a space. Redecoration, on the other hand, focuses on cosmetic updates. This might involve new paint, furniture, carpets, or accessories. It's a great way to refresh a space without major construction. Regular updates are crucial for attracting and retaining guests. A fresh, modern look shows that a hotel cares about its guests' comfort and satisfaction. Section 5. The renovation roadmap, process, and quality control. A successful refurbishment project requires careful planning and execution. First, we assess the hotel's needs and develop a clear scope of work. This includes setting a budget and timeline for the project. Next, we select qualified contractors and suppliers. Communication is key throughout the entire process. We want to make sure everyone is on the same page. Once the work is complete, we conduct a thorough inspection. This is where the snag list comes in. This list details any unfinished work, defects, or areas that don't meet our standards. Quality control is essential for ensuring that the finished product meets our expectations. A well-executed refurbishment or redecoration project enhances the guest experience and boosts the hotel's reputation. Remember, a well-designed and well-maintained hotel creates a welcoming and memorable experience for guests. It's an investment in the success of your business.